Good Monday evening to everyone. Hope you are doing well. So, I'm going to ask the following question: how do you deal with uncertainty? And the answer is you look for good signs. Well, let me explain what I mean. Rosh Hashanah is coming. On Leil Rosh Hashanah, when you come home from shul, or if you didn't go to shul, as you eat the festive meal on Rosh Hashanah night, there's a tradition of eating specific foods. It appears in the Talmud. Yehei Adam Ragil Le'echol, a person should eat specific foods, the fenugreek, the carrots. And these are foods that the Talmud calls Simana Miltahi. The good sign, the sign is important. It has significance. In other words, by eating these foods, that the names of these foods relate to good things. It should be a good year, a year where decrees are ripped apart. It should be a year of blessing and many merits. We eat those foods and they have an impact on us. Now, actually, according to some, the tradition was not even to eat them, but rather just to have them present on the table, and that itself was a good sign. Now, why is it important to have those positive signs on Rosh Hashanah night? You know that Rosh Hashanah night was actually a time of uncertainty, not just because we don't know what's waiting for us the coming year, but rather many years in the days of the temple, Rosh Hashanah night turned into a day that was not Rosh Hashanah. If the witnesses did not come and testify during the day that they saw the new moon, the first day Rosh Hashanah turns into a day that is not the real Rosh Hashanah, but the second day of Rosh Hashanah becomes the real one. There's uncertainty Rosh Hashanah night. But how do we deal with it? We look for good things, because when you look for good, you develop a positive attitude. And as they say in Yiddish, when you think good, it becomes good. So when there's uncertainty, look for things that indicate that things are going to be good. Future events are going to be positive. I saw today a vort that someone sent me that they take the coming year, Taf Shin Pei Aleph, which actually, if you reverse the letters and scramble them a bit, you get the word Ashpot. And the Khatam Sofer notes that the word Ashpot is actually an elevating word, because me Ashpot, from the dumps, Yarim Evyon, he elevates the poor. When people feel they are in the dumps, they are elevated. And we are entering a year of Ashpot. And let's look at it as a good sign. It is a year that we find in our tradition an indication that we're going to be uplifted. It's going to be an uplifting year. So let's look out for those good signs, and let's have a positive attitude that things are going to be better, much better, because we're going to be appreciative of all the good. So let's deal with the uncertainty with faith in the Creator, and faith in ourselves that we're going to deal with it well and rebuild a much better world. So let's prepare to Rosh Hashanah with optimism. And it should be a good year, but for now, a good evening, and all the best. Bye bye.